Every day, we see issues in our community, from potholes to fallen trees, or even litter in our own communities. Often, we wish we could help, but oftentimes we are in a hurry. Wouldn't it be easier if we could directly report the issue and get a solution in a matter of minutes? With the Reporter app, reporting issues has never been easier. The app uses your location as a means of login, so no more remembering usernames and passwords. Simply snap a photo of the issue you'd like to see resolved, give a quick description, and within seconds, your report gets sent to the proper maintenance department. Once the maintenance department receives your report, the administrator can approve your request and make it public, so other users can see that the issue is already in progress. The Reporter app allows the administrator to easily create a work order to share with their maintenance team or their contractors. Using the app as a mobile communication platform, they can easily locate the issue to assess and complete your report. Simple as that. So next time there's an issue in your community, report it easily and use the Reporter app. Contact us now for more information or to schedule a demo. Visit our website at www.reportiteasily.com for more information and to contact us.